of the beautiful people who have decided to be here with me today. Welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Kenyatta here. Today we are going to be getting into the secret to the perfect cornrows on Locs. This is where your girl comes in again with the tea. Let's get into this tea, shall we? First things first, separate your locks into two parts about a third of the way down your head from ear to ear. After sectioning, I have added some single plaits to the back section. Doing this is the secret to creating the sleek and uniform look that we want with our cornrows. Part your locks into thinner parts. Always start with the first 3 locks at the front, then begin your braid. Now, the secret to sleek and uniform braids is your stitch. Notice that I am continuing my stitch before adding any new locks. Once I reach the lock I want to add, I go ahead and join it, then I continue my braid, creating stitches without adding any new locks. Here I thought I was going to add a lock, but I didn't because I realized that I needed to do 2 or 3 more stitches before adding a lock. So I just dropped it. So one of the reasons that we have to do our cornrows this way is because we have locks. We don't have loose natural hair. So when we cornroll, we can't just continue to add locks each time we do a stitch. If we want the sleek and uniform look, we have to, or at least I recommend doing cornrows this way because it creates a more sleek and uniform cornrow. So here I'm just continuing to braid, creating stitches and adding hair as it comfortably joins the braid, and I'm going to go ahead and plait it to the end and secure it with a rubber band.
Chunky feet.
Once again, I'm creating a thin part. Again, starting with the first 3 locks at the front, and then I'll begin my braid. Notice that at the beginning of the braid, I begin creating stitches without adding any new locks. I continue to create stitches, and once I reach the point where the lock is and it comfortably joins the braid with ease, I go ahead and join the lock. Do not come for me. Do not come for your girl. I know that it looks like I'm twisting a bit tight here, but I promise you guys I am not. It is just to the root, and I do not braid tight at all. These cornrows aren't tight. The locks loosen up once I enter them into the braid. So I'm just continuing the braid as I have explained to you guys earlier in the video and throughout this video. But what I want you guys to notice is, notice how sleek the braid looks, how straight the cornroll looks. And everyone doesn't have to do what I do, but I always say you can't argue with results. So come through cornrolls. And what I'm going to do here is just continue the braid. I'm going to go ahead and plait it down to the end and secure it with a rubber band. Okay guys, so we are coming up on the finished look, and I just want to say thank you guys for rocking with your girl and watching my videos. Definitely subscribe to my channel, turn on your notifications, backhand slap that bell so that you never miss a video from your girl. And yeah, check out these sleek and uniform locks. Y'all know how long my little sister hair is, so y'all know this technique work. Thank you so much for rocking with your girl and watching my video, and until next time, oh yeah, stay to the end for some good outtakes.
Allie, that was hot, Allie. Yes, 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 darling, yes. So I am living and dying. I am living and dying. Go ahead. That was some good shit.